Hello everybody, this is VNA. Welcome to the first episode of a new series, Tasty Tour. In this show, we will bring you to nice restaurants in some nice places and show you how the real chefs cook their best dishes. In this show, you will have a taste of culinary culture through the process of cooking. Make sure you subscribe to our channel for more tasty episodes. So today, on a summerish spring day, we're here in Vendrell, a nice little coastal town in the province of Tarragona. And the restaurant we're visiting is Rendemar, specialized in traditional Catalan Mediterranean cuisine, ran by the Langola family for 3 generations. The name of the restaurant literally means by the edge of the sea, and the beach at here is nothing but amazing. After having a sunbath or quiet strolling by the promenade, what's better than having some tasty seafood paella? Okay, let's jump right in and see how my man and Giuseppe, our chefs today, prepare a different type of paella.
Hola, bienvenidos a nuestra cocina.
What they're gonna cook is called Arroz Negro, black rice. The ingredients are very simple. What gives it a name and makes it black is the squid ink, which has been used in Mediterranean cuisine for centuries. Fresh seafood. These are very commonly used in many paella recipes. The rice they're using is called marisma rice from Ebro Delta in Catalonia. It's a breed of rice developed specifically for cooking paella. More about the rice later. These are family secret sauce and homemade fish stock, which makes this paella especially tasty. It is also the reason why this particular dish is always on their menu for 3 decades. The marisma rice is a short grain rice developed around 2000 in Ebro Delta region. It has great flavor absorbing capability and takes less time to cook than other types of rice. Because of its relatively low loss of starch during cooking, it gives a very creamy texture to the dish and results in exceptional cooking qualities. That's why it's widely used in cooking paella. Although there's record of using squid ink in Spanish cuisine back in the 17th century, this particular dish is probably based on an Italian recipe called risotto nero di seppia, and now there are many variants of this recipe that you can find in Mediterranean countries. Have you tried any, and is there any recipe in your country using squid ink? Please let us know in the comment down below. Usually they will bring the whole paella to your table and plate it right in front of you before you're snapping some pictures. We had this paella so many times. It has such rich flavor. The secret sauce and the fish stock certainly did the job in there. And the royal red shrimp's natural sweetness goes along perfectly with the creamy ink rice. In our opinion, it's definitely one of the best you can find around this area. If you have a chance to visit this restaurant, make sure you give it a try and tell the chef Maman and Giuseppe that we sent you there. Okay, that's all for today's episode. And don't forget to subscribe and share, and we see you next time.